Daddy, was this whole video really made from just text?
Yep, I typed the story, the AI generated the voice, and the avatar animation followed the voice automatically.
Wait, so the voice and the animation both came from the text?
Exactly, that is what VibeTube does.
Whoa, that is so cool. VibeTube rocks.
Let me show you what makes VibeTube different from other AI video tools. VibeTube combines two powerful ideas, voice cloning and PNGTuber animation. You start by creating your own voice profile so the system can learn how you sound. Next, upload 4 avatar images. These represent the different PNGTuber states like idle and talking. Then simply type the text you want your character to say. VibeTube automatically generates the speech using your cloned voice. Then the system animates the PNGTuber avatar to match the voice and renders a complete video. And the best part is that everything runs locally on your own computer. No external AI services, no cloud processing, no API costs. Just create a voice, upload 4 avatar images, type your text, and VibeTube produces a finished PNG tuber video using your own voice, text in avatar video out. That is the idea behind VibeTube. And yes, my avatar you are seeing in this video is all generated by VibeTube. You can click the link at the top to check out another example of VibeTube generated video. And if you like to try this out yourself, please leave a comment below. Please like and subscribe for more update, and thank you.